Welcome to Intellectual. In this video tutorial, we'll try to solve this exponential equation 3 raised to 2x plus 3 minus 55 equal to 28 3 power x minus 2. In order to solve this exponential equation, we have to look some rules of exponential. A raised to m plus n will give you a power n into a power n. Second one is a raised to m raised to power n is equal to a mn. A power 0 equal to 1 and a power minus n equal to 1 upon a power n. These four rules are used to solve this exponential equation. Now let us quickly solve this equation. We will try to break this equation in the form of quadratic equation so that it will be easy to solve. 28 into 2. Now 3 power 2x plus 3 can be written as 3 power 2x into 3 power 3. We have used this rule. A power m plus n will give you a raised to power m into a raised to power n. So using this rule, 3 power 2x plus 3 can be break out in the form of 3 power 2x into 3 power 3. Now minus 55 is equal to 28 into 3 power x minus 56. Now 3 power 2x, again using the rule a power m raised to power n is equal to amn, we can write 3 power 2x in the form of 3 power x to the power 2 into 27 minus 55 will give you 28 into 3 power x minus 56. Now using the rule of substitution, we can substitute 3 power x as some variable so that this whole equation can be converted in the form of a quadratic equation. Let us substitute 3 power x as some variable m. So this equation will become m square into 27 minus 55. I will take 56 to this side, minus 28 into m equal to 0. So I'll write 27 m square plus 1 minus 28 m equal to 0. Now this equation, which was exponential initially, has been converted into an quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. 27 m square minus 28 m plus 1 equal to 0. So this will be 27 into 1. The product is 27. We have to take the sum. So 1 into 27 plus 1 plus 27 will give you 28. So 27 m square minus 27. So resolving the factors, taken 27 m as common, m minus 1 minus 1, m minus 1 will give you 0. So 27 m minus 1 and m minus 1 equal to 0, which gives you 27 1 m equal to 1 and m equal to 1 by 27 or m equal to 1. Thus we have two values of m, which is equal to 1 by 27 and m equal to 1. Now we'll resubstitute m, which was substituted as 3 power x. So 3 power x is equal to 1 by 27 and it can be written as 1 upon 3 power 3, which is in the simplified form is 3 power minus 3. 3 power x is equal to 3 power minus 3. Now here the bases are same, so the powers can be equated. So x equal to minus 3 is one of the root of that exponential equation. Again substituting m equal to 1, we'll get 3 power x is equal to 1. Now using a power 0 is equal to 1, we can substitute 1 as 3 power 0. Again the bases are same, so power can be equated. So x equal to 0. So we have two roots of the exponential equation. One is x equal to minus 3 and another is x equal to 0. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial with some more good questions on quadratic equation. Goodbye. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to see more videos on quadratic equation as well as simultaneous equation. Goodbye.